All right, here we go. That beautiful theme music everybody loves. Hey everybody, welcome to the Stuff I Never Knew Trivia Game Show podcast. We are live again at the Black Canary Coffee Shop in Springdale, Pennsylvania.
Yay.
And we got a special second round planned tonight. This is your weekly trivia game show podcast. We've recorded over 100 episodes, but we're live tonight, just our second show ever in front of a live audience. And what we're doing tonight is, I don't know, I have a table that's going to pick a show from a previous era. We've been around for about 5 years. We've done 100 shows. What number are we going to play tonight? 48. Did that change? I thought it was 49. No, 48. 48. Here we go. I don't know what these questions are, but I'll explain the game to you once I find the questions. Does anybody have questions? Do you know what you're about to get into? Nobody knows.
Do you want me to say yes, or do you want me to be honest?
Close to the mic. Say it into the mic.
Do you want me to say yes, or do you want me to be honest?
Honestly, say it into the mic.
I said, do you want me to say yes, or do you want me to be honest?
I want you to honestly say your answer.
Fair enough.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. In round one, we're playing real or fictional names. I'm going to give you a name of somebody. You got to tell me, is that a real name or a fictional name? Our order tonight is Nate, Kelsey, and Owen. We're going to meet you all in the second round, but on this show, we get right into it. Nate, Betty Crocker. Is Betty Crocker real or fake?
I think she's real.
Betty Crocker is fake. She's a fictional character.
I did not know that. Stuff I never knew.
This whole show is everything I never knew. All right, over to Kelsey. Colonel Sanders, that delicious herbs and spices chicken. Was he real or fake?
Real.
Colonel Sanders was real. Kelsey with the first point tonight. All right, to Kelsey, Chef Boyardee, those delicious canned raviolis. Is he real or fake?
Fake.
Chef Boyardee is a real chef. He's a real, I don't know if he's a real chef, but his real name was Boyardee, so they just said it Chef Boyardee. Over to Owen. Captain Morgan. Was Captain Morgan, that spiced rum, real or fake?
I'm going to go ahead and say real.
Real. Captain Morgan is correct. Owen with 2 points on the board already.
I did not know that.
Our last three. Nate, Oscar Mayer. My baloney has a first name. It's Oscar.
Yeah, it has to be real.
Oscar Mayer is real. Nate has tied the game. Kelsey, Lorna Doone, those buttery crisp cookies. Is Lorna Doone real or fake?
Fake.
Fake is correct. Kelsey with 2 points. We have a three-way tie. Owen, you can break it by running the first round here. Dr. Pepper. Was Dr. Pepper a real doctor or a fake doctor?
I'm going to go ahead and say that's fictional.
Fictional is correct. No fooling Owen. He ran the board in round one. He's got the lead. So, Owen, do you want to keep the order the same or change it up?
We can keep the order the same.
All right. So, in round two, we'll go Nate, Kelsey, Owen. We're going to meet our contestants now. Nate, where are you coming from?
I live in city of Pittsburgh, Swissville area.
Nice. Anything you like about Swissville? What brings you out to Springdale?
I came out here to see you in this fantastic podium and the magnet that's adorning it.
You're not going to believe this. I bought this magnet in Swissville.
Get the heck out of here.
Edgewood. Does that count?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, all right, let's go. All right.
That's funny. I think I might have been there that day.
At Signs? Oh, that's Nate. I know Nate. I just put it all together. I bought this sign from Signs and That at Nate's store. How about that for not knowing anybody here?
I didn't have my uniform on. I just threw him off. So.
Yeah. I drove from Greensburg that day, and I had to use the restroom. But
Yeah.
yeah.
But it looks great. I needed to see it in person. It looks great. So
I wish I would have put it together sooner, but
it's all good. Stuff you never knew.
that's it. Apparently there's a lot. All right, Kelsey, welcome to the show. Where are you coming from?
Cheswick.
Cheswick. Did you walk?
No.
All right. Anything you want to promote, plug, talk about?
My friend was supposed to be here instead of me.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, Bella.
Sorry, Bella. We are doing a show September 7th. It's going to be live online. I'm looking for one more contestant. Owen, where are you coming from? Sorry. I just wanted to yell your name.
I just come from here in Springdale, just down the road a little ways. And we saw this here and figured just come and have some fun.
Yeah. Well, thanks for joining us. Are you having a good time?
Yeah, I am. It's quite enjoyable.
All right. Are we ready for the hot seats? Ooh. I'm hot in the hot seat. Here we go. We're going to stay in the same order. Nate, Kelsey, and Owen. These categories are biology, D words, and added up. So we're looking for biology, D words, and added up. You'll each get the same 3 categories, but different questions. Nate, your biology question. In medicine, what does ADHD stand for?
Oh my, I know this.
ADHD. I'm going to put 3 seconds on the
I know.
clock. 3, 2, 1. No, you can't. It is attention
Oh, attention.
deficit hyperactivity disorder.
Yeah.
All right,
Could not
Nate,
remember the first one.
your D word question. Which 4-letter D word refers to fine, dry particles of matter found in the air and on surfaces, and also refers to the act of cleaning these particles?
Oh, dust.
Dust is correct, Nate, with a point. Your added up question. What is the sum in degrees of the internal angles of a triangle?
180.
180 is correct. All right, your 5-point bonus question. We're going to put 10 seconds on the clock. Name 5 brands of toilet paper and go.
Charmin.
7, 8, 9, 10. We got 1 point. That's time. Who knows some toilet paper out there? Go ahead, shout it out. Scott's, great value. We got Northern. What's the Presto? I think is the. And Angel Soft. We had a couple out there for you.
Only new Charmin.
All right, Nate. That's going to put you at 5 points total. Kelsey, are you ready for your questions?
Sure.
Your biology question. In the human body, which teeth are known as cutting teeth? We got 3 seconds on the
only thing
clock.
coming to my mind is chompers.
Chompers. That's yeah.
Valiant effort. Valiant effort.
Chompers is they got
Canine?
canine is. You want to change it again?
No, just canine.
Canine is incorrect.
Darn
It's
it.
the incisors. The incisors. All right, we're looking for a D word. Which 4-letter word beginning with D means to move rapidly and is also a punctuation mark? Four-letter D words, moving rapidly, or used in punctuation. It's hot in the hot seat, isn't it?
A dot.
Dot is only 3 letters, but it is, you're close. It's dash. Dash is the correct answer. And what do the interior angles of a square add up to?
360.
360 is correct. Kelsey on the board in the second round. Your 5-point bonus question. You'll have 10 seconds once I complete it. Kelsey, name 5 occupations requiring a uniform, and go.
Starbucks, McDonald's, Hobby Lobby, Target, Walmart.
All retail and food service. Anybody else? Doc, signs in that. You got to wear your polo at signs in that. That is correct. Kelsey with 5 points. You have moved into first place with 8 points. Nate's in second with 5, and Owen is ready to go. Owen, your biology question. In humans, the disease rickets is caused by the lack of which vitamin? Which vitamin?
Let's say vitamin E.
E is so close. It's D, vitamin D. All right. Your D word question, Owen. Which breed of dog is known as a sausage dog? I heard some oohs from the audience. Ooh. Oh, I saw that.
Could you please repeat the question?
Oh, it is. Which breed of dog is known as a sausage dog?
Dachshund.
Dachshund is correct. And your added up question, how many seconds are in an hour?
How many seconds are in an hour? Is it 3,600?
3,600 is correct. Owen with 2 points in the second round.
I was going to say 360, but that's not right.
Your 5-point bonus question. I lost my space here. All right, here we go, Owen. This could have been made for you. Name 5 dipping sauces for chicken nuggets. 10 seconds, go.
Ranch, hot sauce, honey barbecue, mustard. I've seen people do that. And barbecue.
Oh, at the buzzer, got all 5 points. Owen, you are in the lead with 10 points. Owen is in first place. All right, here we go. We're going to go back to the buzzers. All right, Owen, let's hear your buzzer. Wait, just Owen's buzzer. Everyone's excited here. Don't put the speaker closer.
Yeah, that would probably help.
All right, Owen's the boing. Kelsey is the doorbell, and Luke is the round boxer fighter sounding noise. All right, so in this round is going to be a little different than the game we played earlier. These are multiple choice power round. So 2 things are going to happen here. One, this is worth a lot of points. So it's going to get. I'm not even be able to do the math, I think, on this one. So each question is going to. Every other question is going to double in value. So we're going to do 2 questions at 10 points, and then they're going to next 2 questions will be worth 20 points. Now they're all multiple choice questions. So if you buzz in without the 4 choices, you're going to get double points. If you get it with the multiple choices, you will get just the point value. Okay? Everybody understand? All right, here we go. Multiple choice. I'm going to read just the question. If you buzz in, you get double the points. I care. If you get it with the multiple choice, it's just the point value. So here we go. For 10 points, what type of book summarizes items of general knowledge in alphabetical order? I think I heard ring buzzer.
Encyclopedia.
Encyclopedia is correct for 20 points. Our second question for 20 points. What color is ruby? Owen.
Red or crimson?
Red or crimson for 20 points is correct. All right. What state is known as the Badger State? Nate.
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. Nate is on a tear. That's worth 40 points because we doubled the point value. Marie Antoinette famously remarked, Owen,
Let them eat cake.
Let them eat cake. The full quote for 40 points.
Wow.
We got a head-to-head battle here.
Yeah.
All right, 40 points or double if you get it without the choices. What are the 2 middle letters of the alphabet? What are the 2 middle letters of the alphabet? A, B, C.
Do we lose points?
Yes.
Okay.
KL.
KL is incorrect.
Yeah.
That'll cost you 80 points. You're at negative 72, Kelsey. Was that Nate?
MN.
MN for 80 points is correct.
Look at that.
Nate on fire. Owen keeping pace. Kelsey, you're still in it. There's trust me, by the time we get to the last one, you can win the game on the last question. That's how crazy this gets. Here we go. For 80 points again. Who is the sorcerer's apprentice in the movie Fantasia? Nate.
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse for another 80 points is correct. All right, here we go. Hands on the buzzer. This one's going to go fast. For 160 points. We're doubling every time here. What singer is also known as the boss? Nate.
Bruce Springsteen.
Bruce Springsteen for was that 160 points?
Yeah.
I can't keep up anymore. Here we go for another 160-point question. Which Italian phrase refers to pasta which is still firm to the bite? Nate.
El dente.
Al dente is correct. All right, for 320 points. On which river does the city of Vienna stand?
The river,
Owen.
The river floors.
That is incorrect.
I tried. It's over.
Never know.
That'll put Kelsey in the second place.
That's a place in Italy.
Did anybody else? The Danube. Oh, I could have read the questions, but we missed it.
It's all good.
All right, for 320 points again. In the Greek legend, who was sent to fetch the golden fleece? Who was sent to fetch the golden fleece? All right, for just face value, hands on the buzzer, was it Apollo, Hector, Hermes, Jason? Owen.
It was Jason.
Jason for 160 points.
I wanted to say Jason at first, but I wasn't 100% sure.
All right, we're getting serious now. 640 points.
That's right.
This is nuts.
What is the name of the type of ancient Chinese sailing ship that is commonly used today? What is the name of this ship? No, was it? Here's your choices for face value, just 320 points. Is it a trash ship, junk ship, rot ship, jumble ship? Or
Junk ship. I'm already
junk
losing.
ship, junk boat is probably the better way to say it. Junk boat is correct.
Yay!
Kelsey moving into a commanding second place. All right. We're here at Arkham Alley, Marvel Motors. Nothing about those titles have anything to do with this question. Who was the first character to speak in the original Star Wars movie? Who was the first character to speak in Star Wars? A New Hope, Episode 4 for... All right, that's for 640 points. For face value, 320 points. Was it R2-D2, Han Solo, Darth Vader, or C-3PO? Nate.
I think it was C-3PO.
C-3PO for 320 points. You could lose 320 points. But you are correct, Nate. 320 points. We have 2 questions remaining tonight on the second game. This is worth, do the math, 1,280 points. Kelsey, you can still walk away with the win here.
It's been fun.
You've been charging. What word means A group of islands. What word means a group of islands? Oh, Nate's going to risk it all.
Archipelago.
Archipelago is correct for 1,280 points.
How am I supposed to combat this?
I was
This
good.
guy is just too good.
I was going to say
He also
is
made the
just-
sign.
He is just too good.
I like my second place.
Thanks, Dean.
All right, our last question of this game. I want to thank everybody again. I appreciate you so much for having me here. I'm cutting it because I see Rodney walking towards me. Oh, boy. It's 8. We got 10 minutes till Springdale shuts down. That's my joke. Hey. All right, here we go. You can't go with a frosted mug. What am I going to do? All right, here we go. For 1,280 points, our last question of the night. Who is the voice of Captain John Smith in Disney's Pocahontas?
This is funny because that's what they call me.
They call you Pocahontas.
Yes, this one calls me Pocahontas, and those two over there.
I should have said they call you John Smith.
No, they call me Pocahontas.
Well, how's the song go? Who knows the... Oh, was that a buzz?
No.
That's I heard a buzzer. Anybody, our multiple choice question for 640 points, Tom Cruise, Robin Williams, Mel Gibson, or Jack Nicholson, not the golfer. Jack Nicholson. Hey, it's late. It's past my bedtime.
I'm probably not going to win this. I'm going to say Mel Gibson.
Mel Gibson. You're not going to win this because Nate has run away, but Mel Gibson is correct. Owen with the points. Nate with the win tonight. And as you know, when you win on this show, you get to win fabulous prizes from my basement. I have an electric corkscrew. I have an IP and Poles trucker hat and some Captain America socks. The choice is yours. Nate, come claim your prize, and I got sticker packs for everybody else. Thank you so much for letting me do this tonight. It was a lot of fun. We did 2 rounds of trivia at the Black Canary Coffee Shop on the Marvel Motors parking lot next to Arkham Alley Comics. Come to Springdale, PA. This place is going on. Thank you, everybody. It's the Stuff I Never Knew Trivia Game Show podcast, 100 episodes. You can download them all. They're all just as crazy and with a little bit worse audio. So thank you, everybody, and good night.